I guess what were the things that you saw that your VP of IT did that you're like, oh, this is like cool. I want to take this with me moving on. Versus maybe like, okay, I appreciate what he's doing, but maybe there's things that if I was in when I get to that space, I wouldn't do, or like I'd be different. I guess was there
Yeah.
anything key takeaways you got from that experience there?
Yeah, I had a lot of takeaways, but if I had to boil it down to two takeaways, I definitely got hands-on technical experience, like just understanding what is a computer, right? And why do businesses use technology, right? Schools, at the end of the day, universities are at the end of the day, they are businesses. They have to make money, right? They have to measure, they have to make money. They have to raise money. They have to use technology to solve business problems, right? I learned early on with the vice president of IT the importance of understanding, you know, businesses rely on technology to solve problems. As a leader, you need to understand how said technology is going to move the business forward. If said technology that you're about to put in hard-earned money into does not solve a business problem or push the mission forward, then it's not a good investment. So I learned early on how, as a business, you need technology to fuel where you're trying to get to. It's a superpower, right? Technology is a very precious resource, right? Technology is the reason me and you are doing this thing right now,
Absolutely.
right? Right? It's helped us within our respective careers. It's how we live. We need technology, right? It's almost to the point we can't live without it. And I realized from at a strategic like C-suite level, oh, these are the type of conversations they have when it comes to investing in technology. Because I was looking into all the different software licenses we were looking to invest into. And there were times where, I'd have to like re-image a Windows machine, a Windows operating system. And, I'm like, okay, I have to re-image this. Well, okay, what is an image? Why do we need to re-image these systems? Why can't we just let them be as is? Why do we have to patch them? What is this thing patching? And it just made me understand that technology is a big, big, big ecosystem. Like technology is a multidisciplinary discipline, right? There's so many different niches that you can get into. It gets crazy, which is why I love the field so much because there's so many different specialties within it, right? And yeah, I would say number one, I learned about technology from the vice president of IT. I learned about technology at a strategic level as well as hands-on experience working with Windows operating systems, patching things. They're doing basic stuff like picking up hardware and taking the hardware to the data center and plugging it up, right? Doing the physical hard work, right? That was very humbling and it was a very great learning experience.